Is it the right time to buy or sell Uber stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Uber. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Uber as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 7.70. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has been performing during this period. If you followed our analysis and invested in Uber, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 28.55% over the past 24 days since we first listed it as a buy candidate. This translates to an average daily return of 1.19% since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. Within the stock market, there is an interesting trend happening. The stock is currently in the upper portion of a strong rising trend in the short term. This can be seen as a potential opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction that may bring the stock back down towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock manages to break above the top trend line at $60.18, it would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 23.91% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means that investors may experience a return between -5.06% and 24.8%. In terms of the 12-month trend, we're seeing a projection of an 82.58% change in the stock's value over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 41.35% and 80.44%. So, in 1 year, the stock could be in a price range of $84.45 to $107.82. Our latest update for Uber includes a headline stating that the Uber stock has been upgraded to a strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, December 6, 2023, the Uber stock price increased by 3.07%. It went from $57.97 to $59.75. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.78%, starting at a low of $58.36 and reaching a high of $59.98. In the past 10 days, the price has risen for 8 of them, resulting in a 8.93% increase over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 7 million shares, with a total of 32 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $1.92 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume when prices are rising can be a warning sign of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $60.92, while the lowest price was $23.90. Currently, the price is 1.92% or $1.17 below the 52-week high. It is also 6.71% or $4.30 below the all-time high, which was reached on February 11, 2021, when the price reached $64.05. Analyst ratings. In recent news, I want to highlight some analyst ratings for Uber. On Monday, November 13, 2023, Wedbush gave Uber a neutral grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, November 9, 2023, RBC Capital rated Uber as sector perform with a hold action. Let's go back to Wednesday, November 8, 2023, where we have 2 analyst ratings for Uber. First, Morgan Stanley gave Uber an overweight grade with a hold action. And secondly, Needham rated Uber as a buy with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, November 7, 2023, Goldman Sachs also gave Uber a buy rating with a hold action. Uber stock has received a positive rating from analysts, with a general strong buy. They have given a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Uber stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a positive forecast for the stock, with buy signals present. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, reinforcing the buy signal. In case of a downward correction, the stock is expected to find support at $57.53 and $50.33. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. A buy signal was previously issued on Thursday, October 26, 2023, resulting in a 47.1% increase so far. The stock is expected to rise further until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that despite the price gains, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could serve as an early warning and requires close monitoring of the stock. Some negative signals have also been identified, which may have an impact on the stock's short-term development. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently signaling a sell. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that can help guide your investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which suggests a sell. Another signal to consider is the pivots, indicating a buy signal 29 days ago. Bollinger signals also provide valuable insight, with a recent buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average points to a buy signal 28 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average supports a buy signal 25 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart to uncover more insights. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 25 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average aligns with a buy signal 25 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Uber. When it comes to support, Uber has found a strong level at $58.63. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it is likely to bounce back up. So, if you're looking for a buying opportunity, keep an eye on this support level. Moving on to risk, Uber is considered to have medium risk. The stock has average movements during the day in good trading volume, which means it's not too volatile. In fact, in the last day, the stock moved $1.62 between its highest and lowest points, which is about 2.78% of its value. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been around 2.71%. Let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Uber. One essential metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Uber currently has an extremely high PE ratio, which may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, Uber's next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 14, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for Uber's earnings in Q4 2023 stand at $0.140. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Uber. When looking at the stock's accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine when it would be a good time to exit. On the downside, Uber encounters its first support level at $58.63. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock's price. The average rating for Uber from multiple analysts is consistently strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 30, 2023, Unveiling Turkey A. made an insider purchase of 2,950 shares of restricted stock units. On November 16, 2023, Unveiling Turkey A. made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On November 16, 2023, Ceremony Glen made an insider purchase of 650 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Ceremony Glen made an insider purchase of 579 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Ceremony Glen made an insider sale of 752 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated as -1.146, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders have purchased 433,207 shares and sold 441,775 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting a stop loss at $58.15, which represents a decrease of 2.68%. This particular stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 stands at 91, significantly increasing the overall risk. Interestingly, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that was identified 28 days ago. Is Uber stock a good buy? Uber has shown several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and we expect further gains in the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, December 7th, we anticipate Uber to open down $0.387 and start trading at $59.36. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for the stock. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful experience. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.